Have you ever worried about running out of clean water or felt frustrated by high water bills and unreliable supplies? What if you could create fresh, pure drinking water right from the air around you? Today, I'm excited to introduce you to an amazing solution that can make that happen. Hi, everyone, and welcome. Today, I want to share with you a truly incredible innovation called Aqua Tower. It's a home water generation system that transforms air into clean, fresh drinking water using advanced atmospheric technology. If you've been struggling with water shortages, skyrocketing utility bills, or concerns about contaminated water sources, Aqua Tower could be the answer you've been looking for. Let's start with the basics. Aqua Tower was designed by Richard Wilson, a farmer from California who faced severe droughts and water scarcity. His goal was simple: to create a cost-effective, sustainable way for families to always have access to safe drinking water. The result? Aqua Tower, a breakthrough system that's changing the way people get their water. So how does it work? Aqua Tower pulls moisture from the air and uses a smart condensation process to turn it into liquid water. First, the air is filtered to remove dust and pollutants. Then, it's cooled until the moisture condenses into water droplets. These droplets are purified through multiple filters and UV sterilization, ensuring the water is not only clean but also enriched with essential minerals like calcium and magnesium. What I love about Aqua Tower is how simple it is to use. It comes with a step-by-step guide so anyone can assemble it within an hour. No special skills needed. Once it's set up, it can produce up to 60 gallons of water each day, depending on your local humidity and temperature. It's also incredibly cost-effective. Since it doesn't rely on city water systems, you won't have monthly water bills anymore. Plus, its energy-efficient design keeps your electricity costs low, making it a smart investment for your home and your budget. Many families who've used Aqua Tower have praised its benefits, especially in emergencies like natural disasters or droughts. It provides a steady supply of clean water when you need it most. And it's eco-friendly too, helping reduce plastic waste by replacing bottled water. Maintenance is easy too. Just keep the exterior clean, replace filters when needed, and sanitize the tank every few months. That's it. If you want to take control of your water supply and protect your family from scarcity, Aqua Tower is a fantastic choice. Right now, it's available for just $39.69 on the official website with a 60-day money-back guarantee to give you peace of mind. Click the link in the description to order your Aqua Tower today. Supplies are limited, so don't wait. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.